Alright, this is how to get rid of hissing background noise using OBS. If you're using OBS, I just found this little setting and it made the background noise hissing go away. So I'm going to be kind of quiet so you can hear it. Turn the volume all the way up and you can hear the hissing in the background. And now I'm going to show you how to get rid of that. Right click on your audio input, go to filters, click on this little positive down here, noise suppressant, say OK, and the default is at 30, and you notice if you slide it this way it's more hissing. You slide it down to 30, gets quiet, and you can still hear your voice. Just a cleaner audio.